You see that little man over here? I'll show you. This little guy, he's quickly becoming one of our good friends because he's always around. Come here, little man. Come here. Ooh. I feel bad for picking him up again. Wait. Come here. Do you see how beautiful he is? He's always around. Just always here. It's the same guy too. I'm convinced. Oh, sorry, shouldn't have done that. His little body is so soft. I don't know if you see it under there. It's so soft. Such a pretty moth. I'll put you back. Okay? Little guy.